Welcome to an introduction to accounting brought to you by Parkbench Tutors. In this little podcast we are going to look at the effect of discounts and VAT when we produce invoices. So I'm going to start by going to the sales ledger and looking up some customer details. I've pulled down the customer details chart and I'm going to say find, and I'm going to look at Dombey and Sons. There we are. And the part that I want you to look at is this, that they have credit terms which are 30 days with credit limit of 4,000, and the early settlement discount is 0. Now I'm going to look at the second one, and the second one that I'm going to look at is, we'll do Flint and Daughters, and here we have so many days from the invoice date, 30 days credit period, again a credit limit of 2,500. But note there is a difference here, because here we put in an early settlement discount of 5%, and that is paid within 7 days. In other words, if they pay within 7 days they get a discount of 5%. So those are our two customers, Flint and Dombey, and now we're going to just close that and look at generating two invoices. So we're going to take, to start with, a new invoice and find, and let's look at Dombey, and we need something to obviously invoice them for, so I'm going to invoice them for some mowing, and mowing comes in at 22 pounds per hour, and therefore I'm going to invoice them for 40 hours of mowing. And you can see that we have for Dombey and Sons a total of 880, and with VAT of 176. Now I'm just going to pull up the calculator, and we're going to say OK. 880 multiplied by 20% equals 176. Okay, so we've done a check of the VAT. So let's put that one up, and what we're now going to do is to basically to post this transaction. Are we ready for that? Yes, we are. Now I'm going to do a new invoice, so I'm just going to close these so we don't clutter the screen up too much, and come down again, and here's my new invoice, and this time I'm looking for Flint. There we are. And we are going to do mowing, and we're going to look at 25 hours of mowing. Of course, it helps if we get the 25 in. There we are. And on this occasion we've got a total of 550. So let's just pull up the calculator again. Okay, so we've got the calculator there. So 550 multiplied by 20% gives 110, but you can see the VAT that's been calculated is £104.50. So why is this? Here we are. Let's take another look with our calculator, and 550 multiplied by 5% is 27.50. Okay, so I'm going to clear that and then say okay, 550 minus 27.5 is equal to 522.5. So I'm going to multiply that by 20%, and I've got £104.50, which you can see is the VAT that's given. So here's the message. If you give a discount of that manner, an early settlement discount, then what Adminsoft Accounts is doing it's calculating the VAT on the total after you've taken the discount off. It's important to remember that, right? That if you have an early settlement discount, that the amount shown for VAT is based on the total, right, the net total minus the discount. Thank you.